If you are over 40 and you feel like nothing works when it comes to weight loss, you are not imagining it. The truth is, your body may have changed. Your lifestyle has for sure, but most diet advice, it hasn't. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through 4 most common excuses, reasons why people over 40 do not make progress. And more importantly, I will give you solution for each one. Excuse number 1. I don't have time. After 40, your schedule is packed. Work, family, responsibilities, they don't slow down. And when we think of fitness, we usually assume 90 minutes, 2 hours, 6 days a week is what we need. But here is what works better. Stop thinking in big blocks of time. Start thinking in a habit stacking, answering a small healthy goal to something that you already do daily. As introduced by James Clear in his book Atomic Habits. Think of small but sustainable changes that you can maintain. Maybe you can walk for 10 minutes after lunch. Maybe you can stop in the gym for 30 minutes on the way from work. The goal is not intensity, it is consistency. It is a whole lot easier to maintain momentum from 5 minutes than it's from nothing. Excuse number 2. My metabolism is not what it used to be. Let's get that one straight. Yes, your metabolism may have slowed down, but it's not because you are old or broken. It has slowed down because you have likely lost some muscle and you are not moving as much as you did in your 20s or 30s. The good news is you can absolutely rebuild it. And the way you do that is through strength training and eating enough protein. If you have been doing endless cardio, switch it up. Reduce the amount of cardio you do and add some strength training. Lifting weights even twice a week can make a huge difference. And fuel that muscle with protein. Aim for 1.6 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of your body weight. That is going to help you recover, build some lean tissue, and most of all, it will keep you full. Excuse number 3. I have tried everything and nothing works. Feels like you have done every diet under the sun? Keto, fasting, shakes, vegan, no carbs, low fat, and still nothing works? But here is what's really happening for most people. You are looking for quick solution and you are not sticking with anything long enough to see whether it actually works. Most of us fall into this cycle. We try a new plan, we go all out for a week or 2, burn out or don't see any results, regain weight, then jump onto next fat diet. What is missing isn't effort, it's consistency and feedback. That's why I always recommend start with monitoring. Track what you eat and track your weight. Please do not judge or shame yourself, but do try to analyze your habits clearly. Write down your meals, snacks, drinks, mood, and recovery. You are not chasing perfection, you are collecting data. Change one sustainable thing at a time, monitor and evaluate progress. Progress doesn't come overnight. It comes from understanding our behavior and most of all, consistency. So no more plan hopping, just honest effort, tracking, patience and consistency. This is the stuff that actually makes a difference. Excuse number 3. I'm just not motivated anymore. Let me take the pressure off. You don't need constant motivation to make progress. You need a system. Motivation is like a phone signal. Sometimes you have it, sometimes you don't. It cuts out in and out. You just cannot rely on it. What you can rely on is identity. Shift your way of thinking from I have to lose weight to I want to lose weight. And start thinking I'm in control. I have the power to do this. I am someone who takes care of himself and his health. That tiny shift helps you to show up even when the motivation is not there. And if you struggle with consistency, find an accountability buddy. This can be a friend, health coach, group, or just a diary you check into every single day. Build a rhythm that you can live with, stick with, and you will see progress. Excuse number 4. it's too late for me. Let me be clear about this. It's never too late. Your body can adapt at any age. People in their 50s, 60s, 70s and beyond are building muscle, losing fat and reversing pre-diabetes just because they started now. What matters most? Then you stop chasing perfection and you start chasing progress. Pick a small win and let that be spark. Maybe it's a 7-day feel better challenge, or tracking your food, or tracking your steps. Self-belief comes from action, not before. So take one step, take it today. This is how you shift from "it's too late for me" to "I'm making progress now." You are not stuck. You're not too old. You're just ready for new, different strategy. One that fits your age, your life, and your goals. Let me know which of these excuses have you been guilty of telling yourself. But more importantly, tell me which ones are you ready to let go of. If this video helped you, please share with someone who also needs to hear it. And subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos how to stay in great shape at any age. You have got this. I'll see you in the next video.